of your reins. Very good. Try to bring your leg back just a little bit on her round part. It'll make it easier for you to keep her going forward and soft arms. Yeah. That belly wants to force your leg into her armpit, but if you can get it back a little bit more, you won't have to work as hard. You'll hit the button a little easier.